Want to save a location on Waze so you can quickly find it again later? In this video, I'll show you how to save a location on Waze step by step. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search bar. Enter the address, business, or place you want to save. Select the correction location from the search results and check that the map pin is in the right place. Next, tap the three dots or the location information at the bottom of the screen. Look for the option to save the location, then select Save a Place. Enter a name for the location such as home, work, or your favorite destination. Then confirm and save it. To find your saved location later, open the search menu and look under your saved places. Tap the location whenever you want to view it or start navigation. And that's how to save a location on Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Waze tutorials.